up a notch, it's time to pump it up. I'm about to get back in the gym, it's time to pump it up. I gotta get right with myself, it's time to pump it up. Going hard for the fam, it's time to pump it up. I'm about to turn it up a notch, it's time to pump it up. I'm about to get back in the gym, it's time to pump it up. I gotta get right with myself, it's time to pump it up.
Yo, what's poppin' TNJ family? It's your boy Jojo, yes, and I am here by myself. No Teddy. No Teddy. Just me by myself. You get the full show of just me. Nah, but for real though, me and Teddy, I know y'all used to seeing us together in all our videos, but we decided that we're more than just us being together. We can also do things separately, you know what I'm saying? So we decided that going further, excuse me, tongue tied. We will still be doing our videos together, but we'll be doing our own individual videos as well, still posted to this channel. So but there's no splits, nothing like that. We decided that, you know, we want to give y'all more and more content than we have previously been doing. So we decided that, and you know, we're gonna give y'all days in the life, or for example, cooking with Jojo, or you know, day in the life with Teddy, stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? But y'all still get us, you know, majority of the time it'll be us on camera together. But you know, rest of the time we'll be doing our own thing. But now that I've said that, and yes, I know my shirt is on backwards. There's a reason for that. I'm not gonna tell y'all the reason. Just know I know that my shirt's on backwards. But anyway, the reason that we are here for this video on this beautiful, beautiful Sunday morning is because I will be doing the installation of my girlfriend's shoebox that I ordered her last week. I'm gonna tell y'all the truth. I've been supposed to have ordered these a long time ago. I ain't gonna say how long ago, February. But I have been so busy, you know what I'm saying, with school, trying to finish up school, still trying to do that, you know what I'm saying, trying to, you know, take care of home. Kind of slipped my mind a little bit, but I got around to it. And I told her this weekend that I was gonna do it. I was supposed to do it yesterday, but I didn't get around to doing it yesterday. So I am here this morning to put together her shoe boxes, and she gave so demanding. Make sure you put my doors on right. Make sure you do this. Make sure you do that. Make sure you. I'm like, wait a minute. But you know, I love it though. But just to show y'all, we put together one the other night. Go fit your tennis shoes, ladies tennis shoes, heels, fellas tennis shoes. Easy to open. You see the inside. Easy to close. But we will be doing the installation, and lucky for me, I have a photographic memory. I don't have to look at the instructions because we did that already, excuse me. So, without further ado, a lot of pieces. These are the doors. Let's see, bring it up a little closer so y'all can see. Doors. And we have more doors. You can see more doors. We have the back of the shoe box. I don't know what these called, but yeah, those. Some more of these things that you install in the back. Now we get to these are the shoe cases, and they are very, very, very easy to install. And to tell you the truth, it's a 12 pack. This is a 12 pack. She has way, way, way more shoes than that. But yeah, I'm gonna end up ordering another 12 pack for her. But it won't take forever this time. I'll probably end up doing that next week. So yeah, this is a 12 pack. She has a lot of shoes. Matter of fact, she has a lot of clothes too. I'm not gonna, that's a whole nother video for a whole nother day talking about that. But let's get to the installation. As you can see, you have to mold it. I gotta make sure I get this right, because if I don't, it'll be my you know what. Let's see. Nothing wrong with it. Make sure I got it right. Let me see, y'all. But then again, I'm not the one that installed that one, to tell y'all the truth. But for real though, as I get this together, y'all enjoy the music in the background. I got it now. Took me a minute, but I got it. So now the next step is to fold these 4 flaps. girlfriend made this look so easy when she did the first one. And what does that say about me, y'all? What does that say about me? So how's y'all day going so far? Me? Going good. You know I'm having a little trouble here, but I'm telling you, I thought this was gonna be I got it. Got it, y'all. Okay, so this is the back of it. Now, for the door, I gotta make sure I put it on right. If I don't, gotta make sure you hear that click. Ta-da! Took me in forever and a day, but I did it. We're gonna do another one, and another one, and another one, and another one, and another one, until I'm complete. So, y'all stay tuned. So let me tell y'all a little story about my girlfriend. There is no story. I just love her so much. I love her to the moon and back. I really do, y'all. When I say I am in LOVE, I am in LOVE. Because the love that I have for her runs so strong. There's nothing that I wouldn't do for her. And she knows that. And it goes both ways. There's nothing she wouldn't do for me. It's a 50-50 partnership. We in this thing together. But just to see smiles on her faces and just the little things that just make her that's what brings me great joy about it. The little things that I can do for her just to put a smile on her face. Like these shoe boxes. She's been asking for them for a long time. And I told her I was going to get her some. And I finally got around to getting them. Uh-oh. Having a little technical difficulties here. There we go. Box number 3 complete. As y'all can see, it gets easier as you do more and more. We take a quenching thirst break. Now back to my regular scheduled programming. So anyway, how's y'all Sunday? I know I asked y'all that already, but I would really like to know. Let me know in the comment section below. Is it great? Could it be better? Is it bad? Is it sad? Is it not? Just let me know. In the comment section below. Yeah, like I was saying, man, there's nothing I wouldn't do for this girl. Just to see a smile on her face. See, I'm putting the cart before the horse. And because I don't want to hold y'all too long, I'm going to get back with y'all with the finished product. I'm finally done. Took me a minute, but finally done. Now, let me show y'all the finished product. As you can see, as y'all can see, easy open, easy close. All 12 complete. Now, we're gonna wait till she get home so y'all can see her reaction to me finally putting together her shoe boxes. So y'all stay tuned. Okay, so now she is finally home. We're about to get her reaction to her shoe boxes. Let me show y'all the shoe boxes again. And we are about to get her honest reaction. Y'all, let's go get her. Hi, beautiful. I mean, are you gonna come on or you just gonna stand here?
Why are you recording?
Because I want to.
You gonna be paying me?
You my property. So therefore.
Alright. Well, at least you listen, okay? And you got what I wanted. Let's just hope you put them on right, okay? Because this is like it's upside down. You got the you got the dough on right, babe. But this is a but I love them. Now you just gotta put them in the room and put the shoes in it. Now you have to fix this one, you know, upside down. But overall, like you did pretty good. I can't believe you. You know what?
I mean, okay.
Hey, I found another one upside down, but you did just
So stop. So what you're not finna do is keep going and looking for the errors. I mean, just say thank you, babe.
I really appreciate it because I really wanted these because I got so many shoes.
I told him it took me forever. I told him you gonna probably need another 12 pack.
I'm gonna need a whole bunch more.
No, you only gonna probably need 12 more. Don't make it seem like you got like a million shoes when you don't.
Well, yeah, for the boots and stuff, some of his ain't gonna be fitting up, but I love them. Thank you. At least you listen. Like, at least you pays attention.
It took me forever, but.
And I'm worth every minute, second, or hour. Okay.
That's for you to do.
No, I tell you how to. If you gonna do it, you gotta go all out.
No.
You gotta go all out.
I put them together.
You gotta put
That
the
means,
shoes,
are you crying?
You gotta put the shoes inside the box, and then you gotta stack them. And I want to color coordinate.
I told y'all how demanding she is. Didn't I tell y'all that? I told y'all she demanding. But that is the end of my installation video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, and comment to the video, and like, subscribe to the channel. And like that, we are out.
Turn it up a notch, it's time to pump it up. I'm about to get back in the gym, it's time to pump it up. I gotta get right with myself, it's time to pump it up. Going hard for the fame, it's time to pump it up. I'm about to turn it up a notch, it's time to pump it up. I'm about to get back in the gym, it's time to pump it up. I gotta get right with myself, it's time